Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time, Stratford, Ontario, Canada, for StringTechWorkstations. This video is about shipping a guitar. So you need to understand, you really want to be as transparent as possible when you package a guitar and get it ready to ship. So the first thing you'll notice is it is a plain brown cardboard carton. You don't see Gibson, Martin, Fender plastered all over the thing. There's no markings at all. It's just a plain brown carton. That's where you want to start. You really want to think like a UPS driver, or the person at the depot where you're dropping the guitar off, or customs, US or Canada customs. You want to think about all these different people that are going to handle this guitar. You want to make it as clear, as concise, and as easy to understand as possible. Typically, when you're shipping cross-border, you have 3 commercial invoices in 3 separate packages. Tic-tac-toe, they're all in a row. Over here, I have the customer's invoice. This is a guitar I've completed and I'm returning it to the customer. And here we have the UPS label with a scanner code. You notice that everything is clustered in this top left-hand corner of the box. There's a couple of reasons for that. One is, all the information is in one spot, top left-hand corner. The headstock of the guitar is up, the body of the guitar is down. Now this customer had put a "this side up" label, and that's okay. What I'm saying is you don't want a diary written all over the box. Please handle with care. This is a precious vintage guitar, blah, blah, blah. Please handle with care, fragile, thank you. That's it, that's all I need to say. This side up, all information gathered together. It's simple, it's easy to understand. The other reason for this is if all the information is in one spot, it's much more likely that the guitar will be shipped as it should be, standing up. And the reason for that is, whether it be the driver, the depot, customs, or whoever it is, they need to get to this side of the box. So it's very unlikely that this guitar will be shipped upside down. Okay, what I have here, it's very simple. It's just a piece of cardboard. I've run some packaging tape over it. I got a little piece of foam under there. It is a handle that allows you to lift up the guitar. It's not tremendously heavy. It's 23 pounds, but it's a bit awkward. It's a big box. So this just makes it easy for everybody. Anyone who wants to move this box, they have a little padded handle, very simple to make. And I've seen the response from drivers as well as guys in the store handling it. They're very grateful for this, and they're likely to show it by handling your guitar with care. Okay, here's the other side of the box. You've got this side up, and please handle with care, fragile, thank you. That's all you need to say. If we look at the rest of the box, it is just a plain cardboard carton. So in summary, if you're getting your guitar ready and packed up to ship to your favorite luthier, or you are a luthier and you're tutoring your customers on how best to pack up the guitar and get it ready, these are all very useful tips that will go a long way to ensuring your guitar arrives safely and is treated with respect and care along the way. Because you've made everyone else's job easier, they will return the favor. Cheers.